Hi, here's example 2 of composite volume. So composite, you can also be taking out a solid. So if you guys think about it, in my classroom there was that wooden block cone that some of y'all played with, and you could take it apart and it was like a puzzle and then put it back together. And sometimes you guys would get it down to where it looked like this. And so if we look at it and think, okay, it says find the volume of the shaded region. So if we had a block like that and we wanted to find the volume of just the shaded part, like pretend like y'all had taken that out, how would we do that? So let's think about what shapes make up this composite solid. I notice that there's this big cone right here. And if I had to find the volume of that cone, that's not too bad. And then I also notice that, I want a different color, there is a cone right here. And if I wanted to find the volume of that cone, that wouldn't be so bad either. And really what happened is it's like they had that big pink cone and then they cut that part off. It's like off with its head, the Queen of Hearts. So if we found the volume of the pink cone, subtracted the volume of the black cone, that would be the volume of the green section that's left. So that's what we're gonna do. So I'm gonna word it the volume of the whole cone. So volume of the whole cone. So we have to think, and then we're gonna subtract it from the volume of the cutoff piece, like volume of the cut cone. And there's lots of different ways you could word this and think about it. That's just how I'm going to word it. So my volume of my whole cone, first of all, your volume formula, it's 1/3 of a cylinder. So volume equals pi r squared h divided by 3. So we have pi times our radius. We're looking at this big pink cone. The diameter is 18, so our radius would be from the center to the outside 9, squared times the height, which the height of the whole cone is 15, divided by 3. I'm going to kind of skip ahead a little bit here. So the volume of the whole cone would have been 2,119.5 cubic inches. Okay, now we're going to look at the volume of the cone that was cut out. So that volume, it's still a cone, so pi r squared h divided by 3. The radius, it's kind of hidden. It's up here, it's 8. That's going all the way across here. 8's the diameter, so the radius would be half of it, so the radius would be 4. So we have pi times 4 squared, and then the height is right here. 10 is labeling this little section, so times 10 divided by 3. So our volume of the cone that we cut out would be 167.5 cubic inches. And we want to subtract these two because we had the whole cone off with its head, we took it off, and we're just left with that part. So we're going to subtract them. So we have 2,119.5 minus 167.5 equals a grand total of volume of 1,952 cubic inches. So with composite volume, sometimes there's pieces added on, sometimes there's pieces taken out, and the whole goal is to identify which solids were added on or which solids were taken out and add them or subtract them accordingly. If you have any questions, email me, contact me, and I hope you have a great day.